guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to click on that little bell notification for travel and food updates. Today we are going to prepare a classic pork pickle with bitter gourd, Northeast Indian style. This pickle for sure is going to change your perception of bitter gourd in case if you do not like them just like me. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Low fat pork, bitter gourd which is thinly sliced, salt, oil, garlic, green chilies, turmeric powder and ginger. Now let's start pickling. First of all, take a pressure cooker and add the pork pieces with very little water and give it a couple of whistles. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Drain the water and chop the meat into small pieces of desired shape. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your bitter gourd. Fry this on a medium flame until it becomes golden brown. Once it looks done, take them off the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add your slit green chilies and deep fry them until it's completely cooked. Now add your coarsely chopped ginger and garlic. Fry it until golden brown. Now add your pork pieces, salt and turmeric powder. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Then lower the flame and open cook it until it's completely cooked, which should take about 20 minutes. Once the meat is cooked, add your fried bitter gourd. Increase the flame to the highest and keep stirring them until golden brown. The pickle looks done. We will now let it sit until cool, then put them in airtight jar. This pickle will last about couple of weeks as it has no preservatives. The pickle is a perfect blend. Both the bitter gourd and meat are crispy. The fat in it has completely cut off the bitterness while the chilies are bombastic. So go ahead and prepare instead of slurping and see you soon.